Hey, welcome back. In today's video we will see how to split column in Power BI. Of course, because this is table transformation, we will be using Power Query in that case. So let's go to Power Query, let's click on Transform Data. And here in front of us we can see Power Query Editor. Excellent. Now let's see what table we can transform. Let's choose calendar table, for example, and let's say that we would like to split this column, date, and to get year from this date. As you can see, now we have 1st of January 2022. So how can we split that? We have several options to do that. In this Home tab, we can go to Transform tab and then to Split Column. If we click on this, we will be able to see several options. Also, if we go to Transform tab, again we will be able to see Split Column option here. But let's say that we would like to add new column and then to transform that new column. To do that, let's go to our column, right click, duplicate column. Excellent. Now we have date copy and this is the column that we will be transforming. Now in this transform tab, let's go to split column and let's choose by delimiter. Okay, now we need to select specific delimiter. We have colon, comma, equal sign and so on. We will be using custom and then this delimiter. Now we have this split that option. We need to choose one specific way. For example, we can choose a leftmost delimiter, rightmost and each occurrence. In this case, we will be using this rightmost because we will be extracting only year. And now let's click on OK. Now what do we have here? We have date copy 1 and date copy 2. In this first one, we have 1st of January. And then in this second column, we have our year. That is perfect. That is exactly what we wanted to do. Now we can remove this column. And then to change column name here, it will be year. That's great. Now from this date column, let's extract month. Again, we will duplicate this column. Let's click on duplicate and then we will split this column once again. Split column. Again, we will be using by delimiter option. Again, custom, and then we will provide this delimiter, as you can see here. Now, instead of rightmost delimiter, we will choose each occurrence because we have before and after the month. Let's click on OK. And in this case, we will have 3 columns. First one will be for day. We will remove that one. Then we will have our month and year. Let's remove year because we already have that. And now let's rename this to month. Great. Now we also have our month here. Now let's go to some other table. Let's check this clients table. And now let's say that we would like to extract from this phone column last 4 digits. Again, I'm gonna copy this column. Great. In this transform tab, split column. Now to get the last 4 digits, basically we have 2 options. We can split it by delimiter again, by this slash, but instead of that I'm gonna show you second way, by number of characters. Let's click on that. Now what we need to provide here? We need to provide number of characters. It will be 4. And to split as far left as possible or as far right as possible. In this case, it will be far right, as you can see here. Let's click on OK. And now we have last 4 digits. We can remove this column, for example, and we only have last 4 digits here. As you can see, for this one, we only have 3 digits, and that is due to 0 before them. Great. Now let's see how to extract first 3 digits. Let's duplicate this one more time. Split column by number of characters and then let's type 3 because we will be extracting first 3 and then once as far left as possible because this is on the left side. So let's click on OK and we have first 3 digits here. You can do that for text, for dates, for anything that you need. So now let's try with text. I'm gonna remove these columns, or actually second way to remove everything that you have done here is just to simply remove these steps. And now basically all these steps are removed. Let's go to customers. Okay, this is similar. I will go to main customers table. Let's see what we can split here. For example, for this full name, I'm gonna split to get first and last name. We already have that, but this will be just for practice. I'm gonna duplicate this column. And let's go to split column. Again, we will be using by delimiter, and this delimiter will be space. As you can see, Power BI automatically recognized that, so basically we can click on OK. And now we have first and last name. Okay, great. With this, I'm gonna conclude this video. Thank you for watching.